Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites. Game version V2. 3. Character level 20 and resources. Once confirmed, travel to Mila at 12. 5. -3. 0 and open her shop. Purchase Humming Core if available. Next, harvest Sleepwort from Twilight Groves until you have 3 units. This material triggers the charm synthesis. Make sure to bank 50 gold to cover fees, and equip an empty accessory slot. This allows the system to accept the new charm without dropping existing gear. You now perform the complex assembly. Place 3 Sleepwort and 1 Humming Core on an alchemy table and activate the synthesis interface. Once done, begin the infusion. Use your infusion skill at rank 2 or higher and initiate within the 30-second window provided. Timing affects potency. While infusing, apply 1 calming catalyst to reduce chance of catastrophic failure and increase yield. If the animation stutters, pause briefly and re-trigger the infusion. Latency can distort timing, but the underlying chance remains tied to skill rank. You finish by verifying the Narcoleptic Nugget charm is in your inventory and attaching it to an accessory slot. Equip and test it on a training dummy to confirm effect. Once equipped, watch for the sleep proc and note cooldown behavior so you can plan usage. If synthesis fails, salvage return some materials, recover what you can, and wait out the 24-hour craft cooldown before retrying. One troubleshooting tip: if the charm never appears, relog and check mailbox. Server sync issues sometimes deliver crafted items there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.